Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be trying to pretty much take a picture and convert it into like a coloring page. I just got a request for this on the YouTube, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. This is pretty much what I got. It looks awesome. Look at that, trying to make it look like my husband got a little bit of muscle. No, he don't got nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So first, of course, I went to my Facebook, got some images, but I always go to Google. So after I go to Google, I put in sketch filter online, and it brought up Lunapic, which is a great place, pretty much a great place to go. And it has all of these different types, I guess, that you can use. Right now I believe it's on pencil. So that is what it would look like. Pencil is not bad. I used what's that, Escher? That's the one I put it on, and you can adjust the harshness of it. Like, see, that's harsh, but it does look just like a coloring page. Oh my god, y'all, I can see what I look like with some blue braids. Ooh. But okay, I'm gonna try to do it with a different can I upload a different picture? Shoot. I'm gonna use my daughter's picture this time. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. Now, ooh, no, go back, undo. I clicked on the wrong button. Okay, effects. Now, do I go into effects for this? Pencil sketch. Okay, yeah, let's see. So what you're looking for is pencil sketch. As you see, I'm not really liking too much how that is. So let's see if we can change the adjustment, and if that helps. And nope. Okay, so pencil sketch is just all the way out for this. Undo this effect, like go all the way back to the beginning. Let's go back to pencil sketch, and let's just choose okay, let's choose regular sketch. What does that look like? I like the Escher. Nope. See, nope. But like I said, you can adjust. Or let me see if I just adjust it a little bit, if that helps. It does help. Let's go back and undo this again. Also, I think it really depends on the picture that you choose. Like, you definitely got to make sure that you have a good photo. Oh my god, I think I just etched the pencil sketch. I think I did. I think I etched the picture sketch. Let me see if I just upload like a regular photo. Like just of let's see. Okay, let's take these people. Who's these? The Descendants. My daughter just told me Descendants. Okay. So pencil sketch. I don't want pencil sketch. Let's see what regular sketch looks like. Okay, regular sketch looks really good. So if you are having a hard time finding coloring pages for certain themes, go to lunapic.com, upload the image, and look at that. That is now a coloring page. Shoot, and that's a good one. Let me see if I change the effect to it a little bit. Adjust. But that's a good one. Shoot, I like it. I just wanted to come on here really quick and find a quick way to do this. Remember, I went to Google, and what the heck, that is not Google. Remember, like I said, I went to Google and typed in sketch filter online. It will directly take you to Lunapic, and it's already on the sketch. All you need to do is upload image and you are good to go. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.